Hi, my name's Sam Thompson from Edinburgh Tour Guides, and we're going to have a little look at the Vennel and Granny Green Steps. Now at the top of the Vennel you can see George Heriot's School. There's a wall around it which is called the Telfer Wall, which brought it into the city, and it connects in the Vennel to the Flodden Wall. Edinburgh was a walled city from around 1450. The first wall was the King's Wall. At the top of the Vennel now we can see signs for the Miss Jean Brodie Steps. This is a little nod to Muriel Spark and her novel and the movie that was filmed here. Now you get a fantastic view of Edinburgh Castle from the Vennel. It's one of the most photographed spots you get. It's very Instagrammable, I think is the term for it at the moment, but you get this really good view, and you can also see how high up we are. Edinburgh is built on lots of hills, and as you walk around most of the time you don't realise it. It's not till you come to the steps, and then when you go down them it's okay. It's trying to get back up them again, it's the difficult part. Now at the bottom of the Vennel, as we turn round, you're going to get a lovely view back up the steps, and you can see exactly what I'm talking about here, how steep these steps are. Now at the bottom of the Vennel it opens up into the Grassmarket. The Grassmarket is a great place to explore. The name comes from the fact there was a cattle market here. Everything that ate grass was sold here, and that's where we get the name from. So we're very lucky in the old town because we still retain lots of our original street names, and they tell stories: who lived there, what was carried out there, the main feature of the street. Now we're just going to take a little look up Granny Green Steps. Yeah, you can see they're quite steep. But the nice thing about this flight of stairs is halfway up there's a place where you can stop, take pictures, catch your breath, or just sit and have a packed lunch. There's a lovely little seating area here. We're very lucky in Edinburgh because we've got lots of green spaces. You know, there's lots of places where you can just sit and relax, so it's quite nice that we've got this here. Now as we start to look up the way, you're going to start to get a lovely view of Edinburgh Castle. And just coming into view you've got the Esplanade just above us, then you've got this round part, the Half Moon Battery. Above that you've got the Royal Apartments, and then these four big windows you can see, that's the Great Hall of Edinburgh Castle. It dates to the 1500s. If you are going to visit Edinburgh Castle, give yourself at least an hour and a half. There's so much to see in there. So this was just a little glimpse of a tiny little part of Edinburgh. I hope you enjoyed it.